This is for Jake Davis, James Hammond, Brother Insurance, Bank of America, SunTrust Bank, Darlene Davis, Peter Franchot, Chief Hyatt, Baltimore County Police Department, and Scott Shellenberger, Judge Turnbull, Judge Papaya, Judge Janae. We're talking about the corruption in your courts. Jake's Grill. Jake was fired in November 2007. November 2007, Jake was fired. He shouldn't have never been on my property. On February the 8th, Jake Davis and James Hammond took control of my property on Falls Road. They violated my constitutional rights. I never gave up my right of property here, all right? Jake Davis and James Hammond went in my mailbox. That's a federal offense. Identity theft, income tax fraud. Peter Franchot, you got to give me an audit. You got the criminal charges and the paperwork. I went from Baltimore's worst to Baltimore's best. It's been 15 years. 2006, I was making a movie called Get Shorty, and you got Shorty. That's the mailbox that you went in. That's a postal violation. I'm on Falls Road. That's Judge Janae's house. Judge Janae, Judge Souter, David Irwin. Like I said, the corruption in Baltimore City and Baltimore County. And I'm doing this in the light of day. That's James Hammond and Jake Davis. Y'all wrote an illegal lease and took ownership of property. I never got a trial. I never got an audit. So in 2022, Mike check! It's your wake-up call. We're talking about the corruption in Baltimore City and Baltimore County, and mainly Baltimore County because that's where you locked me up at. I was a Baltimore City resident, and I was kidnapped by the Baltimore County Police Department by the order of Scott Shellenberger. Well, in 2022, I want a trial. I get a trial or we go to the Supreme Court. And Peter Franchot got that information. All right? This property on Falls Road belongs to me. It was for sale for $150,000 and nobody paid me that $150,000. This is right here. Shorty, the Weaver Award for 20 years. All right? That's Peter Franchot. And that's the forged check. That's not my signature. You see the date? 3/28/08. I was locked up in another state. I couldn't assign that check. That's Brian Frosh. That's Brian Frosh. That's a legal notice. You feel me? That's a legal notice. I gave you definition of it. You feel me? And that's me, Shorties. So Peter Franchot, I need a federal and state audit. Because like I said, I was making a movie about your prison industry. That's Congressman Cummings and me. All right, this is me. And that's a movie release, Shorty documentary. And that's Hazel Norman. All right, that's my film crew. You feel me? That's my film crew. That's Meat on Fire. That's Shorty. That's my film crew. These are the supporters of Shorties. And these are the inmates that need justice. You feel me? These are the inmates that need justice. That's a legal notice. I never got a trial. That's the White House, 2009. You feel me? 1402 Lochner. President Obama said investigate. Nobody never did an investigation here. Nobody did an investigation here. You feel me? On February the 2nd, my mother died from cancer. Jake Davis didn't send her no flowers, didn't send her no roses, no nothing. Y'all left me in jail. You feel me? Jake Davis and his crew. You feel me? That's Jake. That's Duran. And that's my witness, Charlie Stokes. Charlie Stokes gonna testify against you. And this is my proof I was making a movie. All right? This is the property that you stole from me. I was making a movie about racism. This so you couldn't sue me. See the dates? Baltimore County Police Department. That's my daughter. That's my store. The inside of my store. And that's Brandon Scott and me. You feel me? That's Kirk Smoke and me. That's Tim Williams and me. And that's Luke Broadwater, Ivan Bass, and Leaders of a Beautiful Struggle. I'm weaving a better Baltimore. Success is the best form of revenge. And I'm successful. These is my sons. You feel me? And we left a toilet in Washington, D.C. It's art and activism. The art of protest. and I'm shitting on you. I'm leaving this here. You want to lock me up? Charge me with something. Take me to court. Take me to court. Make sure Peter Franchot bring all that information. I want a trial. I never got a trial. I'm out $250 million. Intellectual property theft. Here it goes. It says contact your police department, and I did. Block party gets bigger and better. That's Brian Frost. That's Shorty. That's Gov.O'Malley. And this is my store. You feel me? They belong to me. I go to jail for the right reasons. $250 million is a good reason to go to jail. It's a good reason to go to trial. So Peter Franchot, Ivan Bates, Theroux, Fox 45, Jane Miller, Barry Sims, y'all lied on me. 2022, no justice, no peace. I'm tired shitting on y'all all over again. Potty training politicians. Shorty, pull your mask up? No, I'm gonna unmask Baltimore. David Simon, you in this too. Baltimore, rewired. The money behind the machine. Mike! Check! Can you hear me now?